How to swap Toncoin $ton to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. Converting Toncoin to other currencies is easy to do. First, open your Tonkeeper Wallet app and make sure you're already logged into your account. You can see different icons here. Tap the swap button and it will show you the send and receive options to other currencies. At the send option, just click the arrow to choose any cryptocurrency. You can just scroll down to select any tokens, or you can just search it up by typing on the box above. Just select TON and that will be the cryptocurrency that you will convert or swap to another one. Click the receive button and choose any cryptocurrency you want the TON to be received in. In this tutorial, select USDT. Then, enter any amount in TON you want it to be converted. Obviously, you need funds in your Tonkeeper wallet to be able to do any swap, so this guide is just for illustration purposes. After entering the amount, you'll get a breakdown by tapping the transaction information, and you'll know how much exactly you will receive after the fees. You can also swap it from TON to USDT to USDT to TON. And that's basically how to swap Toncoin, TON, to USDT. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.